new toy. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be making a stand for my tuff automatic chainsaw sharpener. Now, I don't know much about it. I did a little bit of research on getting an automatic chainsaw sharpener because, and I know it's not going to be as effective as doing it yourself with a file or a manual, But the thing is I have so many chains that I carry on a truck that I have to get an automatic. There's just no way I would spend my whole weekend doing chains, just sharpening them. So I'm making a stand for it now. I got this stand here, but come to find out, this is for a different sharpener. It's not for the automatic sharpener, so I have to make a plate here, a 4-inch plate like that. And what I'm going to do is take this plate and mount it to this plate, and then put my sharpener up here because the bottom plate of this was just too narrow for the actual length of the machine. But I'm always doing modifications. I'm used to this shit, That's what happens when you're broke and you got to make shit work, so you make it work. So yeah, I'm going to get to it, and I'm going to definitely post some reviews on it to see how it works out, because it's $3.95 for the sharpener. That's what I got it for. Now, anybody that knows automatic chain sharpeners, you're in the thousands of dollars. So I'm going to give it a try. It's all digital, all the settings and the depth and everything. So I'm going to give it a whirl, because right now I'm paying $10 per chain to be sharpened. Yeah, $10 per chain. And you have people that that cut rocks with chainsaws and all kinds of crazy shit. They have to keep an eye on them. But anyway, I'm gonna give it a try, and also I'll post some videos in the future on how I like it, if there's any pros and cons about it, and yeah, as soon as I figure out how to use the damn thing. All right, so I'll get this put up there, and we'll go from there. I'll continue the video. All right, guys, so I got everything mounted here. A little plate here. Probably should have spray painted it black, but just don't have the time to mess with it. tuff automatic chain sharpener. You set how many cutter teeth you have on there. Set your depth, and let it go. All right, there you go, guys. 14-inch chain, 25 cutter teeth. Took about 2 minutes, a little bit over 2 minutes. Great little investment if you have chains for $400. Can't beat it. Thank you for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll also be posting updated videos to see how long this lasts and any pros and cons about it. Thank you. Have a great day.